Hello everyone. Welcome to switispeaks official YouTube channel. I'm Switi Pinjani. Today we are going to see an interesting code about how can you use delay inside a function. Until now we were seeing that we cannot use delays inside the function. The reason is that function should execute in zero time. Today I am going to show you a very interesting code. The function will still execute in zero time, but I am going to add some delays inside the function. Let's understand the concept, how it is working and how still the function is running in zero time. It uses the concepts of oops, function, fork, join, different types of fork join. We have seen this in systemverilog essential series. Let's quickly go through the code. I have a class which has two variables, 32-bit source, 32-bit destination. Inside the function, I am assigning some values to source and destination, and see this carefully. Here is fork join none, inside which I am adding a delay, and after this delay, after this particular delay, I am displaying the source and destination. Observe very carefully. Here I am using join none. What is the specialty of join none? Fork is used for running threads in parallel. But when you use join none, fork will not wait for any of the thread to complete. It means since it's inside join none, it is not going to wait for 10. No, it's not going to wait. It will come out and still this thread will run in parallel. Means after a delay of 10, you will see this display, but it will not stop the function from exiting. The function will still exit in zero time. That's the reason fork join none will work when you use inside the function. Again, I'm saying use very carefully. It's fork join none. And then when you try to create a handle of the class and then you will create an object of that class and call this function. If you run this code, you will be able to see the display statement. Here I have run the code and I'm able to see the display statement. Why? Because function exits in zero time, that's true. But due to join none, it is not waiting for delay of tens. That's why I am able to use fork join none inside the function. Now let's do one thing. Instead of join none, if I try to use join any, let's see what will happen. What do you think will happen? Here you will see a error. Why are we seeing a error? Function cannot contain fork join any. Why are we seeing this error? The reason is join any will wait for at least one thread to complete, and inside this fork there is only one thread which has a delay of 10. You cannot use delays in function, and join any makes it mandatory for at least one thread to complete. That's why join any will not work. You only have to use join none. Be very careful. I hope this gave you a new perspective on functions. To stay tuned and get such content in VLSI, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. I, Sweetie Pinjani, will see you soon.